Start. In the present case, comma, the issue is not pertaining to the correct assignment of the seniority as per rules governing the seniority, but the time when such objections should have been raised by respondent number 5 star. As already indicated above, comma, it is settled proposition of law that claims pertaining to assignment of the seniority should be raised within a reasonable period of time, while in the present case the respondent number 5 has raised the claim, comma, despite issue of various seniority lists in the interregnum period, comma, after approximately 18 years, and thus the judgment of Mamta Mohanty under bracket supra would not be applicable in the present case stop para. In the case of Sitala Prasad Shukla under bracket supra, comma, though the dispute was pertaining to seniority and the district inspector of schools had held certain persons to be senior to the appellant Sitala Prasad Shukla, which order had been affirmed by the High Court, yet from the said judgment it now here comes out that various seniority lists had been issued and no objections had been raised by the persons claiming seniority over Sitla Prasad Shukla, or that the objections were raised belatedly. Stop para. In the present case, comma, the impugned order has been challenged primarily on the ground of there being gross laches in raising the issue of reassignment of the seniority after long lapse of time, and various seniority lists have been issued, and thus even the judgment of Sitala Prasad Shukla under bracket supra would not be applicable in the present case. Stop para. As regards unreported judgment of the division bench of this court in the case of Dr. Anupama Mehrotra under bracket supra, comma, suffice to state that from perusal of the said judgment, comma, it is apparent that a tentative list has been issued on 2/4/1996, which was incorrectly issued, against which, despite the petitioner having submitted his objections, a final seniority list was issued on 27/7/1996, and upon the petitioner raising a dispute, comma, no decision was taken. Stop. It does not come out that any seniority list had been issued prior to 1996, while in the present case repeated seniority lists have been issued showing the petitioner as senior to respondent number 5 star. Even the grounds of laches which were raised in the case of Dr. Anupama Mehrotra under bracket supra were considered by the division bench by indicating that the petitioner had raised the dispute of seniority before the competent authority within time, while in the present case, comma, as already discussed above, comma, respondent number 5 chose to raise the dispute of his seniority over and above the petitioner after lapse of 18 years from the date of issue of seniority list in the year 1997 star. Thus, comma, the judgment of Dr. Anupama Mehrotra under bracket supra would have no applicability in the present case. Stop para. Keeping in view the aforesaid discussions, comma, the impugned order dated 25/3/2017 cannot be said to be legally sustainable in the eyes of law. Stop. Accordingly, comma, the writ petition is allowed. Stop. A writ of certiorari is issued quashing the order dated 25/3/2017 passed by respondent number 3, a copy of which is annexure 1 to the writ petition. Stop para. Consequences to follow. Stop.